and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching PeteJCooper the Model Builder. Nice that you're here again, and we've got another build for you. And this time it's the Ghostbuster issue number 4, they're calling it. And it is a great build, and I'm really happy that I've got the next 4 issues in 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we're all going on with that massive engine, and at the end of all 4 stages, we'll have quite a big and blue engine. I hope it will come through on the mat that I have, the blue mat that I have. But I've got a RGB light on top of it, and I hope that will help quite a lot. This, of course, is a hero collector build. Brought to you by Eagles, and I really wanted to do this one, and as I'm in the Netherlands, it was hard to get because of the Brexit. The UK has gotten quite some issues already on this build, and I've just came to pack number 2, issue number 4. I got 6 in the first. I've got issue 1, 2, and 3 in the first. In the first box that I had, and in 3 to 4 weeks I'll be having some more. Mike Lane and Model Mods are doing some very nice mods, but have a look around and you'll see that there are quite some more. And why not get to it? I'll show you the magazine and all the issues that we're doing in this stage. I don't know if I'm all doing them in one go. That depends on how much time I'm spending on them. I don't want to give you any video longer than approximately 20 minutes. And let's see if I can get to that and make it interesting for you. So let's get building. As you can see, issue number 4 there. So this is nice, the magazine with the contents, the card, stage number 7, as you can see right there, with all the parts, the timing belt cover, and engine block top, and so on, all these things. Then we're going on with the right cylinder head and the ignition wire junction, and so on, all these parts that are there in stage number 8. In stage number 9, we've got the filter, the air filter that is on top of it. Is it the air filter, fast idle cam, and the fast idle cam bracket? Now let's see, G9. Yes, the air filter and some more of those brackets. Then the generator. And a whole lot to do with the generator, and this is where we're starting. Stage number 7, the middle engine block. We're starting with those, the timing belt cover and cooling system. Then we're building the top of the engine block. We're putting these all together. Then we're fitting the breather cap, fitting the oil sump and engine block top. That's the oil sump. Then fixing the right engine support, as you can see there, and that is what we are left with at the end of the first stage, stage number 7. And that's a lot better. So this is stage 007, and we've got the blister here, and all cups are filled. As you can see in front of you, this is what we're starting with. We're going to get that out, and we're going to get 2 EMs out. And I understand there is a certain way to put that in, because as you can see, one is a little bit longer than the other side. And I'm guessing, if I'm looking at that thing, that the longer side, the shorter side is this one, and that we're going to put it in like so. So there you go, that's part 1 done. We're going to get that one out, and as you can see, 1, 2 eyes and one little nose, more or less. The nose is there, and that's where the two eyes are. This is plastic, that's metal. So we're gonna use two APs. This is what we have quite a bit of, and that is in as well. That is what we have neatly in there. And we're going to take the engine out, and we're going to see whether or not we've done this correct. There's pretty flush in there. And as well, you can see that there's a little pin there that you put in there. Helps you guide it, and it also has the shape of that thing, as you can see right there. So we're going to put that in, and we're going to screw a DM with a tiny bit of oil into that hole there. It goes in pretty darn well. No bubbles, no wobbles. Then that is in there neatly, quite close to where it should be. Or more or less, it is where it should be. So we're going to put that aside. You're still seeing it. We're still on 007. We're gonna get that out. And we're gonna this side, and we're gonna get the ignition coil, or what is that thing called? The distributor. Guys, I'm not into all those kind of things, so I don't know these names. We're gonna AP in there. As you see, I put it upside down. Works fine. There was a keyhole pattern there, so there's no other way to put it than this way. And as you see, that is it, neatly in there, properly done. So the block cover and the pipe joint are going to go together. I'm doing my utmost, guys. There is a keyhole pattern there on both. They're not very distinguished, but they're there. AP, BP, slowly but steady. As you see, it's in there neatly. I'm just putting it straight all the way there. Okay, we're going to get that out, and as you can see, if we look at those two parts, it's obvious because of that it goes that way. We turn it around and we put two APs in there. We're screwing an AP in as well on that side, and that is what we have with the ignition. Oh God, guys, F. The distributor there. Is that thing that close? It is. Okay, over that, we're gonna put that. And as you see, there's only one way to put it on. You see, they don't affix. There you see, they do affix like that. So we're going to put them on. And these are, yes, you guessed it right, the AP screw. 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and the last one, number 4. As you see, it's neatly on there with a gaping hole between, but that's all right. Okay, that is step number 2. We're going to put that aside, and we're going to put that with that together. Like so. Oh my goodness, guys, this is oh, that works. 2 EPs from the blue side, They only gave us 2 EPs. So no spare screws in this one. What I see a lot of people do is usually just screw in one. When it affixes, you can put in the other one. It's easier to get the other one in the right position then. So that's the breather cap. And we are gonna put that on. That's gonna be something else as well, guys. This one is hard to put in. It is wobbly. But as always, we do our utmost. Well, you saw me put that together. Okay, sorry about you. And we're going on, we're putting the oil sup under it. And it's pretty darn easy, as you saw. I just put it in there straight away. It's quite the oil sup, isn't it? Yep. Sump. Not dump, but sump. And it's the other way around, because that rounded edge follows that round. It's not as easy as I thought it would be. EMs, 2 of them. And there we go with number 2. The sump is under. Then we're putting this part on with the breather cap on this side. You're putting them over those holes. Oh, that's peculiar. And we're leaving it like that. Was probably when that... Oh, that's better. Pushed it in a bit, and it's so much better in there, as you can see. As you see, I did a little bit of extra there. I may do that there as well, and there. Oh, I should have done these as well. A little bit late, as I've done these and those, but I didn't see them. I like it. So we're going to put it over there. Put that pen away. The last thing we do is put that thing on. So we're going to put 2 DMs in there. And as this is into metal and a piece of something with a lot of paint, best thing to do is put a little bit of oil on that. As you see, it going in pretty darn easy. And we're doing pretty darn well. This is metal. Don't overly over tighten them, but that is that, and we're going to leave that aside there. And we may leave those screws in. I don't know what we're doing in the next issue, so we're going to leave that there. So that is number 007. That is number 007 done. And with that, I'm just going to say thank you very, very much for joining me again. Thank you very much, especially to those people who stayed all the way to the end. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have, please subscribe to my channel. Please like. It helps me with the algorithm of, and helps me get better on YouTube, and hope a lot of more subscribers. I really would like a few more, or at least let's try to get up to 100 before the end of the year. Thank you very much for that, and again, thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and I really hope to see you next time on any of my other builds. Thank you very much, and bye bye.